In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the profile settings on Namecheap in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful tutorial if you want to update your account details, manage your personal information, or adjust your Namecheap preferences without getting lost in the dashboard. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log in to your Namecheap account using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now look at the top left area of the screen and find your username. This is where Namecheap keeps your account access options, so it's the first place you want to check. Click on your username to open the drop-down menu. A list of options will appear, and from that menu, click on Profile. This will take you directly to your profile settings page. From here, you can change all of your important account settings in one place. Depending on what you need, you can review your personal information, update account preferences, and manage different profile details. This is the section you'll come back to anytime you need to make changes to your Namecheap account. So just to recap, log into Namecheap, click your username in the top left, select Profile from the dropdown, and then make whatever changes you need from the settings page. And that's it. You've now found the profile settings on Namecheap. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one.